how to turn on or off reaction notifications on Telegram. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, okay, go to Telegram application. So I use iOS mobile phone or iPhone. Okay guys, sir, in Telegram homepage, okay, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. Here in settings, you can see the notification and sounds. Okay, tap this. And notification and sounds, okay, you can see here the message notifications sections. And you can see here the reactions. And the reaction is turn on. And to turn off the reaction notification, okay, you'll have to do is tap this and switch off the switch button on the right side of this reaction to my stories. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned off the reactions notifications on Telegram. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is tap again the reaction and switch on the switch button on the right side of this reaction to my stories. And you can also turn on the reaction to my message. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off reactions notifications on Telegram. So, okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.